Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness too.
Can you believe a phone's cooling fan actually gave me a cold? And have you ever seen a phone that can blow bubbles, like snot bubbles? So if you're thinking about checking out or upgrading to the Honor Win phone with its powerful built-in fan, you'll definitely want to hear this. Liked it? Followed already? Thanks a lot. And honestly, the name itself is brilliant. Honor Win sounds just like honor is sure to win, and that confidence really fits the device. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. When you open the box, along with the phone, you get a 100-watt fast charger, a white 6-aught charging cable, an adorable springy SIM ejector tool, a clear protective case, and a stack of nicely printed manuals and documents. The color I chose is called Quick Black. It has a frosted back that resists fingerprints and offers some scratch protection too. Paired with the matte metal frame, it feels tougher and gives off a clean business-style vibe. The continuous earpiece design at the top adds to that premium feel, and the camera-style cooling fan paired with the bold Win logo really completes the look. It honestly makes the whole phone feel more high-end and worth the price. In terms of size and feel, the phone weighs around 229 grams and is roughly 8.3 millimeters thick. It doesn't feel overly heavy, but it has a reassuring solid grip. The rounded edges prevent any sharp pressure on your hands, so it's comfortable to hold for long periods. The volume and power buttons sit on the right side, and there's also an extra AI button near the bottom, which I'll explain a bit later. The left side is completely clean, keeping the design simple and balanced. At the bottom, you'll find the SIM tray, microphone, Type-C port, and speaker, while the top only houses another speaker and mic. Everything else is hidden so well that you might think there's no infrared at all, but surprise, the infrared sensor is actually built into the camera module. It's one of those moments where you think it's just a phone, but it's secretly something else, like mistaking a shaver for a hairdryer. Pretty cool, right? This phone really stands out with 5 major highlights. The first is that fan. Honor's full-time Dongfeng turbo cooling system is seriously impressive. Thanks to this smart design, air flows directly onto the chip, spinning at speeds of up to 25,000 RPM for extremely efficient cooling. Despite all that power, the fan is compact, barely affects the phone's thickness, and takes up very little internal space. It's also fully waterproof. Even hot water won't damage it, and if it gets dirty, you can literally rinse it with water. It's tough enough to blow tiny bubbles like my snot bubbles, so durability isn't something you need to worry about. The second highlight is the display. You're getting a 6.83-inch flat screen with 1.5K resolution and a super smooth 185 Hz refresh rate, along with a peak brightness of 6,000 nits. The visuals are sharp, bright, and incredibly clear. Since it's a true flat display, applying screen protectors, including tempered glass, is easy and hassle-free. That also boosts durability. On top of that, Honor has upgraded eye protection features across the board. The 5900 to 20 Hz ultra-high frequency PWM dimming makes it much more comfortable to use in low-light environments. There's even motion smoothing technology designed specifically for 3D games, which helps reduce visual fatigue for players who are sensitive to motion. And that 185 Hz refresh rate isn't just a number. It makes everything feel smoother, and in competitive games, it can help you spot enemies faster and react quicker. It's basically a real-world cheat code. The jump from 120 Hz or even 144 Hz might not always feel dramatic, but 185 Hz is different. You're getting a full 65 extra frames per second over 120 Hz, which is about the same refresh rate as an iPhone 16. Honestly, what more do you want? The third major highlight is performance. The Honor Win uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which has been out for a few months now and might not sound exciting on its own anymore. But once you pair it with the active cooling fan and that 185 Hz display, the gaming experience jumps to a whole new level, easily outperforming other phones in the same price range. In real-world testing, even with native extreme frame rates and top-tier graphics enabled, performance stayed stable under heavy load. The system naturally adapts to a 165 Hz refresh rate in many scenarios, and when combined with a 3500 Hz touch sampling rate and symmetrical dual and 1216 stereo speakers, it makes positional audio incredibly accurate. In large-scale FPS games, if you want to push all the way to 185 Hz, you can turn on AI Super Frame mode. With the Honor Phantom Engine 3 3.0 using GPU frame interpolation, the game feels almost like you're playing on a PC. The smoothness is on another level, to the point where it feels like everything is gliding effortlessly right under your fingertips. When it comes to one well-known competitive mobile game, the phone actually runs at its native 185 Hz refresh rate. I honestly never reached frame rates this high, even back when I played on a PC. It's hard to believe mobile phones have reached this level of performance. It's genuinely impressive. But in a certain large open-world mobile game, even with the graphics pushed to the highest settings and frame interpolation turned on at 120 Hz, you can still feel obvious stutters and frame drops when heavy skill effects are triggered. This really shows that even the best passive cooling can't compete with a properly designed active cooling system. The phone itself doesn't get extremely cool, yet the overall gaming experience in that scenario still feels less than ideal. Now let's talk about the camera. Even though the Honor Win is clearly built with performance in mind, its camera system is far from weak. The main camera uses a large LYT-700 sensor paired with a 50 megapixel 3 telephoto lens. In real-world shots, image quality looks detailed and sharp with plenty of resolution. In high contrast scenes, details in the sky are well preserved. Close-up shots taken with the rear camera are particularly impressive, and even at 6x zoom, there's no obvious drop in quality. The photos look better than what you'd normally expect from a phone. Portrait mode performs even better, delivering clean images with clear facial features, natural skin tones, and accurate edge detection. Individual strands of hair are visible, and noise control in night portraits is also quite decent. You can easily take great photos of your girlfriend. As for extreme zoom, 100x is basically unusable due to heavy AI processing, but anything under 20x remains very clear, making it perfect for concerts. In terms of shooting experience, the live preview feature works well, making photos look more vibrant and improving overall usability. The phone also supports shooting in log format and lets you apply different LUTs directly in the editor. For more serious video creators, this helps make up for some of the phone's limitations and allows it to serve as a main filming device for vloggers. The fifth selling point is the battery. This phone packs a truly massive 5-digit battery capacity with a 10,000 mAh Qinghai Lake battery. To properly test its endurance, you basically have to game non-stop because normal usage just isn't demanding enough. Charging is equally impressive with 100-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless charging, and even 27 watts wired reverse charging. Yes, you heard that right. It can charge other devices using a cable. At this point, it's basically a giant 10,000 mAh power bank disguised as a phone. On top of that, it comes with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that unlocks quickly and is placed in a comfortable position so your thumb doesn't get tired. There's also a fun and practical AI button that supports short press, long press, and double-click customization, adding more flexibility in daily use. It includes a dedicated RF enhancement chip and a powerful Wi-Fi gaming chip, along with dual-frequency GPS, quad-frequency navigation, and a smoother, more refined Magic OS X. The overall experience feels well optimized, and music playback in particular stands out. As for pricing, the base version of the Honor Win starts at 3,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 422 pounds in the UK and about $569 in the US. To wrap things up, even if the Honor Win were released a few days later in 2026, it would still likely become one of the best-selling gaming phones of the year. Just looking at its standout features alone, like the 185 Hz ultra-high refresh rate display and the massive 10,000 mAh battery, it already has what it takes to compete for the top spot among gaming phones. That alone is enough to make it special. It takes its own path and leaves competitors with very little room to respond. On top of that, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 flagship chip and offers near flagship level camera performance. It genuinely feels capable of challenging many high-end phones while delivering a flagship-like experience to mid-range users. For buyers who care about value, the Honor Win's overall strength is impossible to ignore. For the smartphone industry as a whole, it also points in a clear direction. The cooling fan is small enough that it doesn't add bulk, making it practical for long-term use. The 185 Hz ultra-high refresh rate shows gamers that in an era where chip power is already more than enough, refresh rate can have an even bigger impact on gameplay. And with a 10,000 mAh battery, this phone isn't just a phone anymore, it's also a power bank. Can you handle that? So on a scale from 0 to 5, how would you rate the Honor Win? Honor wins, no question. See you in the in-depth review video.